if you're encountering a video not found error on Wistia. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get your video back online. Step 1. Check video URL. Ensure that the URL you are using to access the video is correct. A simple typo or missing character can lead to the video not found error. Step 2. Verify video status. Log into your Wistia account and navigate to the video in question. Check if the video is still published and not set to private or deleted. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Test on different devices. Try accessing the video on a different device or browser. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. Step 5. Contact Wistia support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Wistia support team for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the video not found error on Wistia. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from Wistia support.